This is the video guide that will help you to remove the new ransomware that is called bruhnet. Before the ransomware actually attacks the computer, you are able to open your data without any troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But this is what happens after the ransomware attack. The point is that because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this bruhnet ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. The ransomware is called bruhnet because it adds this extension, it appends this bruhnet extension to the files. The ransomware also drops this ransom note mentioning that people need to pay the ransom for file recovery. But paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee that the files would be restored. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money for nothing, so don't pay the ransom. To remove this ransomware, we recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It also works as anti-ransomware by helping you to protect your data ahead of time. So go to the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the program, and click on Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. It will first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is obviously essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. After the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner is successfully updated, the program begins scanning, researching, and investigating your system. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. Now, at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected.